Introducing the Exerputic 400 XL folding recumbent bike with LCD display and pulse monitor from Paradigm Health and Wellness. Getting in shape doesn't need a lot of space in your house. The Exerputic Space Saver folding recumbent bike is your solution. It's designed as semi-recumbent, is very easy to get on and off the bike, and provides a more effective and comfortable workout. And it will fold to half the size when you want to store it. Plus, it's easy to move with the included transportation wheels. Here's what you can also expect from the Exerputic Space Saver folding recumbent bike. The 8-level magnetic tension control system that allows you to adjust the tension level for an easier or more difficult workout. A 3-piece high-torque cranking system provides a smooth and consistent pedaling motion. The precision-balanced flywheel and V-belt drive provide a smooth and quiet operation. You can watch TV or listen to music while working out with no interference. It's designed to give you comfort and safety while exercising. The large seat cushion and backrest are for users of any size and are adjustable to fit 5'2" to 6'2" user height. The larger pedal design with safety strap prevents any foot slippage when exercising. Extended leg stabilizers prevent any movement or tipping. It can support a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. It even comes with an easy-to-read, large window 3.3-inch LCD display that indicates distance, calories burned, time, speed, scan, and heart rate monitor, including hand pulse monitor. So there you have it. Our Exerputic Space Saver folding recumbent bike is packed with features, yet easy to use and store. We also provide a 1-year limited warranty. So what are you waiting for? Let's get busy.
Now you can bring better health into your life by bringing Schwinn Fitness into your home. Introducing the new Schwinn 270 recumbent bike. It blends an intuitive design with user-friendly technology to make your cardio workout smarter, smoother, and more enjoyable. The new 270 makes your workout smarter thanks to a sleek new console that's loaded with features like Bluetooth connectivity, which instantly syncs your time, distance, calories, and heart rate with our free Schwinn Trainer app. You can seamlessly connect your workout results to your favorite apps. And with 29 preset fitness programs and 25 levels of resistance to choose from, challenge and motivation are right at your fingertips. With the new 270, your workout feels smoother because Schwinn quality and comfort are built right in. Solidly constructed from the ground up, it features a walk-through base, upgraded pedals with wider platforms and foot straps, and a padded seat with ventilated back and lumbar support. Plus, its high-speed, high-inertia drive system makes for easy startup and quiet, consistent workouts. With the 270's dual backlit LCD displays, you can keep an eye on your progress while reading a book, listening to music, or watching a movie, and stay fully charged thanks to its built-in USB port. With the addition of Bluetooth, the new 270 is VR compatible, opening up a whole new 3D virtual world to explore without ever leaving your home. All of which makes your workout more enjoyable. The new Schwinn 270 recumbent bike. Just one more way you can count on Schwinn Fitness for the good life.
Commit to get fit with the Easy Adjustable Seat recumbent bike. Slide rail and easy adjust lever make moving the seat seamless. Soft grip handles with pulse sensors help to stabilize and calculate heart rate. Easy-to-use LCD monitor provides many features to monitor your workout. Tension control knob easily adjusts 8 levels of resistance. Maximum comfort with large cushioned back and seat. Self-leveling pedals with adjustable straps make placing your feet in and out simple and easy. Made for a variety of users with a weight capacity of 300 pounds. Built-in transportation wheels make moving easy. Fitness made easy with the Easy Adjustable Seat Recumbent Bike by Sunny Health and Fitness.
If you're ready to amp up your training, the Nautilus R616 Recumbent Bike is ready to amp it up with you. For starters, it's built solid from the ground up, giving you a smooth, stable ride at any speed or intensity. The R616 is designed for extreme comfort with a padded seat, ventilated back, and large foot pedals. And to keep you coming back for more, the Nautilus R616 changes things up with 25 levels of resistance and 29 workouts. Choose from preset programs for interval training, weight loss, and cardio health, or create your own program around your workout goals. When you're feeling adventurous, travel the world while you train with Ride Social, the amazing mixed reality app that lets you explore short and long courses all around the globe. Just choose and download the course you want. Create an event and invite friends. Join an existing event or take a solo tour through breathtaking scenery without ever stepping outside. The Nautilus R616 amps up your motivation and endurance with a streamlined console that features dual-track LCD displays, so you can see your tablet or magazine while keeping track of your workout data, an MP3 jack for cranking up the tunes, and a USB port to keep your devices charged. And when you work up a sweat, a 3-speed fan cools you back down. Whatever your end game, you want to see results. So the R616 makes it easy to export your workout data to the Nautilus Trainer app, MyFitnessPal, and other popular apps via Bluetooth or USB. Boost your performance, track your progress, hit your goals with the R616 Recumbent Bike from Nautilus.